So we start off today's video with this bob haircut transformation. Looks like the stylist is mixing in some bangs for this one. Oh, wow, look at the texture that this has. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the side swoop bangs, the voluminous look that this has overall, just absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some amazing haircuts and hairstyle ideas that you can try this season. So if you have been looking for something new to do to your hair, you've come to the right place. If you feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful bob haircut transformation. I love the different styles that she does with this. I think this one is definitely my favorite with a voluminous look. And then we have someone with long hair rocking these beautiful platinum highlights mixed in. This is an absolutely gorgeous color combination, followed by this all black bob haircuts. This one comes to just above the shoulder blade. So there the stylist is getting ready to do the cut, and bam, gorgeous. And then we move on to someone who has mid-length hair who also decide to get a bob haircut. Love how simple and effortless this bob is. So we have another styling of a bob here, and this one features more of like a curly texture. If you do have a natural curly hair and you're looking for a fun haircut idea, the bob is a great style to try out. Very nice. I really like her hair color as well. Really makes the curls pop. Another look at that flowy bob, and we're seeing so many different bob variations this season, from layered to bobs with curtain bangs, but this is just absolutely gorgeous. So next up we have a color transformation. Another trend that we're seeing this season, very bold and bright colors. So she's gonna go super bold and bright with this orange colored hair. Mixing in some bangs. Very nice. And I really like this bold, bright color that she did. Such a fun, chic style. So then we move on to the next hair transformation. So she just got engaged to the stylist. And to celebrate, she's getting a full-on makeover, going brighter with the color. Getting a trim. Curtain style bangs in the front to frame out the bob. And bam! So beautiful and chic. Loving this bob hairstyle. So next up we have someone with long waist length or tailbone length hair. And it looks like she wants a lob haircut, shoulder length bob style. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.